How many way we put, sir? How many broilers we put?
For here now. Here now, something there now. The rest 25 was a month. There now.
Okay. But how many we the stock? The stock how many total?
Total before. 125.
Okay.
If you are
Hello guys, I met a successful poultry farmer. He's into broiler business. So he has been doing this broiler business for over 7 years, and I will interview him shortly so he can tell us some tips on how he's doing the business. So I want to know, like, how long did you do this business? Since 2007, Abi? Wow. So, like, what will be the challenge for broiler business? What will be the challenge for broiler business?
challenge what? It's like what?
Like, what will be the challenge? Like the problem or the issue or for broiler business? This is not what will be the problem for broiler business.
Problem here, bro. If like you can't matter now, you treat yourself, so yeah.
Okay, the treatments, Abi?
Well.
Okay.
If you treat them well, you survive.
Okay. So what? How about the feed?
Feed.
Feed will be the challenge.
Feed is challenging now. Like now, this one now Ultima.
Okay, Ultima.
Kind of Ultima. Kind of happy chicken.
Okay.
If you buy Ultima, buy happy chicken.
Yes.
They put
to eat.
Ultima, you go grow well and happy chicken.
Okay.
If you use chicken, put bolster.
Okay.
Happy chicken.
Okay.
You turn well. You go pass and Ultima. Yeah.
But let's say the Ultima they very expensive, Abi.
Well.
Okay.
Ultima get now one bag na 28,000.
Wow.
Now this one na 25,000 on 25,000 for Ultra.
Okay.
Okay, go na 23,600.
Wow. So
if you put boosters, yeah, that would be the Ultima.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, if you, as the rest this fowl now, the rest are from small or you go buy a window big?
From day old.
Okay, from day old.
Yes.
Okay, the rest are from day old.
Yes.
Okay, till like how many years or how many age before you go start sell them? How many weeks you go reach?
2 months.
Okay, 2 months.
Yes.
Okay, from 2 months.
2 months and.
Okay, you go start sell.
Yeah, depend any buyer come.
Okay.
If you like, I want to buy like 2 months, I don't sell them whatever.
Okay.
But to buy like 7 weeks.
Okay.
Depend on young guy that will work for me. Okay. Happen like 3 months.
Okay. Okay, fine. So if they buy now, people they come here to come buy or they can't go market.
Sometimes people they come here. Like in summertime, I go market 2 times. No, market not there.
Oh.
All of us.
Okay.
I better for yard. Sell them for yard.
Okay. What market no dey? I be the brother too cost. No. Or what happen?
I won't dey sell my better.
Okay, people never come.
People never come.
Okay.
And here now, market they give there well.
Okay. They give the medicine.
Yeah.
So which type of medicine they give? If you give me small rundown of how they give them the dose, what they give?
For cough, I give you Tyler dose.
So for the challenge of feeds, because around there, where they buy feed from?
Okay.
Okay, from here to Okigwe?
Yeah.
Wow. That means for you to get feed now, you get to go far Okigwe?
I go Okigwe, I go Hunter bus.
Okay.
Go buy them.
Okay.
20 something bags.
Okay, 20 bag once skip.
Yes.
Okay, so after
that one finish, I go buy another one. Go sell it.
Okay, but you get any time where feed the day scarce, you no go see feed. You don't experience that before?
Yes. That's why I'm going bundle. If you feed this cat, I get feed it for that time.
How is this? How do you get the feed? How do you get the feed?
See, if you feed this cat, that one I go, that one I buy them in there for my house.
Okay, that means you go buy plenty.
Yeah.
Okay, so 8 hours feed cats, that will not concern you.
No concern me.
Oh wow, guys, you can hear that. So as soon as he stock his birds, he buys the quantity of feed needed for the birds, and he keep in his house, and he's feeding the birds till they get to maturity. And he says, so if you can follow that wisdom, that would be very good to save costs, because there are times that feed will be scarce. You will not see feed in the market. And guess what? He's doing this business in his backyard, guys. He's using just his small backyard to raise over 300 broilers, and he's selling and making money. But since they do this broiler business now, he don't make gain at all.
I can make gain.
They make gain at all.
Yeah.
So, like the gain they make now, if you say, they okay, or what do you think?
It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
In the market there, we go make gain like 100 or 150.
Okay. Let's say like how much? Let's just give example now. Which amount now? If you say if you put for the business, when it's sell finish, it's what you go gain. Just give me an example.
Okay. For the other one made before. I put 100 and a half. Like 110 entry that time.
Okay, 110 beds.
That
okay.
Time. So I spent 600,000.
Okay.
But that's 730.
Okay.
That time.
Okay, 600,000. 730. That is about 130,000 profits. Abi?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But since they do your business, because every business they get challenge. Yes. So since they do your business, if you remember the biggest loss you don't lost for a business before, which one with that one?
I put 200, I lost on 57.
What? You lost 50 of them? Wow. So guys, in every business there's always a challenge, but just that, no matter the challenge, if you still continue, if you still strive, you will still what? You will still make it. So you can see, even as high he has been successful for over 7 years, he still have 1 or 2 challenges, and he overcome them. So this is an encouragement to you. Keep on pushing. Like these brothers I'm seeing here now. Like each of them are how much?
For now.
Yes, for now.
For now, I sell at 20, I sell at 18.
Okay.
I sell at 17.
Okay, wow. And you see, he's selling his own very cheap. This is a broiler you are seeing here in Abia State in Port Harcourt. They sell it as high as 25,000. That's what they sell these ones you are seeing here now. But he's selling his own for 17,000, guys. So you can actually, if you're in Abia State, Isukwata local government, you can actually take advantage and come and buy his broilers. I will drop his contact on the comment section. You will see his contact on the video. You can call him. So I want to know, what's the name again? Chibuisi.
Yeah.
Okay, Chibuisi from Onuzo.
Yeah.
So which location is this now? Which place? Which location is this?
Amehi.
Okay, Amehi.
Yeah.
Okay. So he's at Onuzo at what? At Amehi. Okay. So if you're in Abia State, you can come to Onuzo at Amehi to come and buy broiler birds from him. Like people watching now.
Yeah.
If they want 200 or 300 breasts from you, if you supply them, if you supply me,
I will go fish supply 200, 250.
Okay. So guys, you can hear from him. He can supply 200 and 250 breasts for you. So anywhere you are in Abia State, you can contact Mr. Chibuisi. As you can see his number on the screen. you can contact Mr. Chibuisi anywhere in Abia State, and he will supply you good broilers. And also, if you want to learn about the broiler business,
come up.
you can also meet him too. Though he will charge you for it, yeah, he will charge you some money to learn. So, but come and meet him, guys. His experience, in fact, in the whole of Isukwatoya, they call him Mr. Broiler, guys. So to show that how good he is in the broiler farming. So make sure you reach out to him, and please, if you like this video, like the video, comment and subscribe. And if you want me to visit your farm to show people about your farm, you can also contact me too.